Hi guys, and welcome to SoYoga. In this video you will see 5 yoga asanas that can help you deal with tight hips. Number 1, Warrior 2. For that, please come at the left edge of your yoga mat in Tadasana. Feet are together, hands on the waist, bend the knees and step out in large stance. Right foot goes out 90 degrees, left foot slightly in. Inhale, raise your arms at the shoulder level. Bend the right knee over the right heel. Scoop the tailbone, hug the belly. Open the chest, open the hips to the side. Gaze at the middle finger of your right palm. Breathe here in case your right knee is going inwards towards the left side. Bring it back straight, aligned with your toes, and breathe here. Option to place the left palm down to the left thigh. Raise the right palm facing up. Inhale, reverse warrior. Slowly come back to Warrior 2 and we'll repeat the same on the left side. Straighten the leg, keep the arms lifted and turn. Left foot goes out 90 degrees, right foot slightly in. Inhale, open the chest and bend the left knee over the left heel and repeat the same. Gaze towards the left side, engage your right leg strong, press the back foot, and again chest is open, hips are facing the right side completely, and bring again option, bring the left palm up, reverse the warrior. From here, your next inhale, slowly come back to Warrior 2. Straighten the legs, feet parallel, hands on the waist, bend the right knee, and come back in Tadasana. Number 2, Lizard Pose. For that, let's meet in Downward Facing Dog. Spread your arms, your fingers widely, and then push your sit bones up to the sky. With your next inhale, lift your right leg up, three-legged dog. Then knee to nose. And place the foot to the outer edge of your right arm. Drop your left knee down. Inhale, lift the chest, push your chest front, shoulder blades back. Your hips are going deeper down into the asana. Option to lower down to your elbows. If this is too intense, you can come back and place your palms down to the mat. Continue pushing your hips front, feel the stretching your hamstrings. And then another option is to place a block and just place your elbows onto the block and look front. To go out from the asana, palms down to the mat, tuck your toe, lift your knee, and then push your hips again in downward facing dog. You may take a breath or two here, and then lift the left leg up to the sky, three-legged dog, knee to nose, and then step out to the outer side of your left palm. Drop the right knee down, and again push your hips front, look front, chest is lifted, shoulder blades back. Another option is to keep your right palm down, lift the left arm and press the left knee slightly to the side for gentle twist to increase the intensity, and look behind your left shoulder. Slowly come back. You may stay in lizard pose for 10 breaths or even 1 or 2 minutes. Just enjoy the stretch. To come out from the position, palms back down to the mat. Take your toes, lift your back knee, and then we meet in downward facing dog. 3. Pigeon pose. Let's meet again in downward facing dog. From here, with an inhale, lift the right leg up to the sky, three-legged dog. Again, to lengthen the spine and give you some space. Then bring the knee to nose and drop the right leg down. Walk your left leg a little bit further away. And then untuck the toes. Inhale, lift your chest, look front. And push your hips down. Breathe here. You have the option to walk your palms down and just relax the head. With your next inhale, lift your head, walk your hands back. Prepare them for downward facing dog. Take your toe, lift your left knee and push your hips back up in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up to the sky. Bend the knee, knee to nose, and then place the left leg front, walk the right leg back, untuck the toes. Inhale, lift the chest, look front, push your pelvic floor down, hips down. Remember not to collapse from the left buttock. In case you're still here and you're working towards pushing the hips down, you may place a block to help you get into the correct asana with a nice alignment, and eventually with the time you may remove the block, place maybe a blanket then, and slowly you get the control of keeping your pelvic floor nicely aligned. Option to lower down and relax your head, or to press the palms down, tuck the toe, lift the right knee and push in downward facing dog. 4. Butterfly or Baddha Konasana. Please sit down on your yoga mat. You may sit on a block and press the sole of your feet. Bring them closer to you, to your groins. Maybe your knees will be lifted a little bit more. It is okay. Inhale, lift the chest. Avoid arching the lower back. Relax the shoulders. Look front. Take a couple of breaths here. In and out through the nose. And slowly push your lower back, middle back, upper back slightly front. And feel how your thighs are going down. They're dropping down. You may push them a little bit with your elbows. And if this is too intense, just bring your feet slightly front. Again, inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine, hug your belly, and exhale, fold forward a little bit. You may push your lower back slightly front. And then you may drop your head. Your next inhale, come back straight. And feel free to stay in Baddha Konasana with feet front or closer to your body. Even for longer, just stay here, lengthen the spine. You may use the wall behind you to get this nice hip opening. 5. Happy baby. Lie down on your back. Bend the knees, hug your knees into your chest. Grab your big toes. So your lower back is down to the mat. Your shoulders are down to the mat. And from here, lift your legs, straighten the legs to the sides. Remember, lower back is down. You may go playful and lean from one side to another. You may also stretch one leg at a time. And again, relax the shoulders down to the mat. Push your heels up, toes pointed down. Then bend the knees. Hug your knees into your chest again. Massage your lower back with a couple of rounds from one side to another. And slowly come back up. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, thumbs up. Feel free to comment and see you next time. Please click subscribe to get notification for my next video. Bye.